Welcome guys. In today's video I'm gonna tell it to you straight. My first YouTube video, if you haven't seen, I didn't even come up with it myself. Actually, AI did it. I literally open up ChatGPT and ask, what should I make my first YouTube video about? And ChatGPT, as like my old friend who knew actually everything about me, like all my habits, my interests, my weaknesses. It gave me a topic and laid out a script like a map, straight away. Hook, problem, solution, result, positioning, and pretty nice final. It's pretty clean. I looked at it and said, all right, buddy, let's do it. So I just wanted to add some of my own flavor to it, like the equipment I bought, how much it really costed me, no fluff. And that's how actually my first YouTube video came out. Like, if you remember, Autonomous YouTube Studio, 10 hours turned into 10 minutes. I'll drop the link, you can check it out yourself. But here's the truth. That idea wasn't mine. I stole it from other creators. They cut time to be bone, like saving hours by merging streaming with production. If you haven't heard about it, it's like no editing at all. That's what I'm doing right now. Camera on, mic on, scenes in OBS, one button, one controller, and that's done. You become your own director in real time. You want a browser? Okay, here you go. You want a terminal? Okay, here you go. You want a close-up? Done. And that's actually how TV studios work. Like, a director has multiple cameras, feeds a plan and switches. He just changes them in live, so the viewer sees the perfect picture. That setup actually saved me not hours, but truly saying weeks. And more importantly, it killed my excuses. Too hard, too expensive, no time. Now I actually got a system that's working for me. Let's get back to ChatGPT. So, and here's something else. I'm running actually two channels, and one in Russian and one in English. As you can see, let me switch it to you. That's in Russian and that's in English. And I asked ChatGPT to write the script and make it stronger, sharper, so people watch all the way through. And you know what? It actually worked. And YouTube algorithm loves it when people stick till the end. That's the signal that this video is valuable, and it will show it to more people. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me everything I need for publishing in JSON file. As you can see right here, he wrote me a JSON file. Why it's important? Because it just cuts all the fluff and keeps all the needed information like title, description, tags, everything it needs for publishing this YouTube video. And why this whole process is so important? I just hate repetitive crap. I want the machine to do that for me. I don't want to do it myself. So ChatGPT structured everything: title, descriptions, tags, as you can see, chapters, links. And then I used the Comet browser, you know, this new one from Perplexity with AI, and boom, it filled all the YouTube fields automatically. All I had to do was upload the video and thumbnail and ask him to put all this information into YouTube. And speaking about thumbnail, let me show to you something you haven't probably, oh yeah, we missed it a bit. If you take a look here, you will see, hold on, yeah, that's the first initial YouTube thumbnail that I have created. But as you can see, it actually in Russian, yeah. But the guy is not me. I love the whole structure, but I wanted to make some changes to it. That's why I used Google Gemini. Google Gemini actually, it's same, if you haven't used it, same as ChatGPT from OpenAI, but from Google. And I gave him this initial screenshot and gave him my face definitely, and asked him to apply my face to this thumbnail. He did it, but as you can see, he actually did it pretty bad. So the proportions of my body is not looking good with this thumbnail. It looks like it's been just stuck to the body. And I just asked him to fix the proportions. And so here we go. We have this final YouTube video. And I just asked the Gemini to, I want you to fix and translate from Russian to English. And he did it pretty good. So as you can see, the thumbnail worked amazingly. So that's how the first video happened. And now you watching the second one. This is the ritual that I'm trying to build myself. And I want this to become a habit. I shoot, you watch, you drop a comments, and I answer them in the next video. That's how we can make this channel alive. Stats, yeah, that's tiny. So if we'll take a look at the subs, on the Russian channel, I have around 9 subs. And let's see, oh yeah, I forgot to switch. That's my Russian channel. I have 9 subs. Regarding the English channel, I have 5 subs currently, and for the content, I have 13 views and 2 likes on the English, and in Russian, I have 5 views and 2 likes on the last video. So we'll be focusing more on bringing and making this channel alive together. My goal is simple. I want you to take these tools and actually change your life as well. And you can see how not that hard it is, actually. You can cut the boring stuff, make more money, keep your head clear, and enjoy yourself. So if you made this far, hit that button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you care about most. Like, can be equipment, the scripts, the AI hacks, or the strategy. This isn't just for the algorithm. I read every comment and I'll respond to the next video. That's it. I'm Pavel, and you can call me Pash. Yeah, this video is number 2 actually, and the start of the whole journey. If yeah, I'm gonna finish on this tough line.